Hello everyone. Today, let's make an opening slide animation using some logo like this Android. Open a new PowerPoint presentation and start by copy-pasting your background image into the slide. Now either hold Ctrl+Shift while dragging its edges, as you could see in previous video with text opening slide, or simply click on the option offered by the designer. Insert a new shape covering the entire background image. Remove the edges and make the fill some deep color black or white as I did. Afterwards, copy-paste the icon saved in the SVG format used for vector graphics. Hold Ctrl+Shift to enlarge the icon so it keeps its original shape, and align the icon in the center. The guidelines will help you to find it. The vector icon can be converted into shape in PowerPoint. Do it by opening the graphics format and clicking on Convert to Shape. As with the title in the other video, click first on the white background shape and then on the shape created from the icon. Then, open the shape format and subtract the shapes from each other. Let's add some effects. Right-click on the white background and select Format Shape. Open Effects and set some nice shadows from the bottom right, for example. The shadow size and blur can be adjusted until you are satisfied with the result. The opening slide is done. Let's duplicate it. Select the slide and press Ctrl+D. Continue by zooming out. Enlarge the white shape while holding Ctrl+Shift so that the original background image is visible through the hole where the Android icon was. Finally, select the second frame, open the Transitions section and apply the Morph transition. We can check the result in the presentation by opening Slide Skills and opening the presentation from the beginning. Now, I will show you how to continue from opening slide. Insert new slide. It can be just with title. Change the title to whatever you want. For simplicity, I write title. While the third slide is selected, open the transitions and use the push animation. Let's check the result. Everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, you can leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment.